What's up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do some upgrade for our Honda Jazz. So binili ko to dahil wala siyang like thermometer gauge, so it will help us to identify the temperature gauge of the car since lagi tayong babad sa kalsada. So this is a OBD2 reader. Ang hirap na buksan. OBD2 reader gauge. Yun, so water temperature. As you can see, blue lang light yun nandun, wala yung gauge. Kaya mahirap talaga ma-identify, no? So since lagi tayo nakakalsada, I think this is one of the necessary things that we need to have in our car, because you never can tell. Skip the manual for now. So habang nandito tayo, nag-aantay rin tayo ng order, no? So since 5:15 na and we're still waiting. We're not in the rush today since it's Monday. Here's the gate. Alright, so super late. I think this can stay up here. Oh no, here. So let's find out if this is compatible. So nandito banda yung OBD. Alright, so na-plug in na natin yung OBD2. Let's see. Seems to be working fine. So soft touch. Now we have order. You can change that to voltage. So volts seems to be right. 13 above. Amps. Guys, so hahatulan na natin yung ating biniling OBD2 gauge. OBD2 gauge, so think of worth siya for $40. Wow! So may speed, voltage, and then thermometer or water temperature gauge. So bagay ito sa mga sasakyan na walang ganitong feature, no? So maraming options available. So all good, goodbye siya para sa sasakyan natin, and good investment. At least magiging aware tayo kung malapit na ma-hit yung overheating or hindi nag-charge yung battery. At least aware tayo. So yun lang. Next video, try natin i-upload yung iba pang upgrade na pwede natin gawin. As of now, yan na lang muna. So thanks for watching.